transformations. Puravive stands out as a beacon of authenticity and natural good. As consumers become increasingly conscious of the ingredients they put on their skin, Puravive emerges as a frontrunner, offering a range of products that harness the power of nature to enhance and nourish the skin. At the heart of Puravive's philosophy lies a commitment to utilizing the purest and most potent natural ingredients. One standout feature of their products is the incorporation of botanical extracts, known for their time-tested benefits. From soothing aloe vera to rejuvenating green tea, Puravive taps into the holistic qualities of these plants to provide users with skincare that transcends conventional norms. A standout product in the Puravive lineup is their signature skincare serum, a luxurious elixir that epitomizes the brand's dedication to natural beauty. Enriched with a carefully curated blend of plant extracts, this serum is a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering skincare that is both effective and gentle. One of the key ingredients in this serum is aloe vera. Aloe vera not only moisturizes the skin but also aids in soothing inflammation, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive or irritated skin. Green tea extract is another star player in Puravive's skincare arsenal. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps combat free radicals, thereby reducing signs of aging and promoting a youthful complexion. The anti-inflammatory properties of green tea also contribute to a calmer and more even skin tone, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. One cannot discuss Puravive without delving into the benefits of its use of natural oils.